And we have a breaking news coming in. Akhilesh Yadav has now broken his silence on his MP's comments. He's going on to say that unlike earlier, even the Prime Minister did not bow down to the Sengol while taking oath for the third time. Let's listen into that reaction.
मुझे लगता है कि हमारे सांसद इसलिए कह रहे होंगे कि जब पहली बार लगा था तो प्रधानमंत्री जी ने बाकायदा प्रणाम किया था। इस बार शपथ लेते समय शायद वो भूल गए। उसी को याद दिलाने के लिए लगता है मेरे पार्टी के सांसद ने कुछ इस तरह का पत्र लिखा। जो राय उस समय मेरी थी, मैंने ट्वीट किया था। आप मेरी राय आर्काइव से निकाल करके सब चैनलों पे चलाइए।
तो अभी रहना चाहिए।
मैंने क्या कहा जब प्रधानमंत्री जी ही प्रणाम करना भूल गए तो इसका मतलब उनकी भी इच्छा कुछ और होगी।
Okay, Shivani is joining us live on the broadcast. Shivani, as one would have expected, obviously these comments by the SP MP have snowballed into a massive controversy. What has been the reaction which has been coming in from the side of the INDIA leaders? Because interestingly, while Akhilesh Yadav has attacked the Prime Minister, looks like the Congress also seems to be backing these comments.
See, though we have already seen that on a number of issues, the opposition remains divided, be it the Speaker's election or the Sengol. And today also we are getting such divided comments. Now you've heard Akhilesh Yadav and his party's own MP, R.K. Chaudhary. He has started this controversy while he said that he's written a letter to the Speaker that this Sengol must be removed and it should be replaced by the Constitution. We must understand that the Sengol is a symbol, it symbolizes the rule of law. And when last year it was being installed in the new Parliament building, Amit Shah, then Home Minister, he had made it very clear that his government, it symbolizes the rule of law, equality for everybody, and that's what the Sengol also symbolizes. And the government has always believed in cultural nationalism, to bring back the rich heritage of India to the contemporary politics was also being mentioned there when the Sengol was installed. But today, when R.K. Chaudhary calls it Raja Ka Danda, it seems that the opposition remains divided once again, because, you know, there are different kind of comments that are coming in. Akhilesh Yadav has also not given a very clear reply, or he has not backed what R.K. Chaudhary has said. He just says that you can just find out what I said from the archive when it was being installed. So he did not outrightly reject or support the Sengol controversy which has been started and initiated by R.K. Chaudhary. But yes, the government has been very clear on taking keeping this Sengol, because it is a mark of authority, it is a mark of control, it is a mark of rule of law. And remember, we must also tell our viewers that this Sengol was gifted to the first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru an evening before the independence of India in 1947, and since then it was preserved and it was kept in the Parliament since last year when the installation happened for the new Parliament. This was a symbol of our rich heritage and how the Chola dynasty used to rule with equality, authority, control. And you know, when we say symbol, the Sengol, it is actually a symbol of a baton that is passed on to the government.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.